Hello, my friends, and thank you for being here with me today. All right, settle in, folks, because we need to talk. We need to talk about the future of AI, specifically large language models. And more specifically than that, we need to talk about why, for the love of all that is digital, you should be looking at running these things locally, right there on your own machine, instead of constantly piping your thoughts, your ideas, your data into some online cloud-based black box. Now I get it. The online versions are convenient, right? They're everywhere. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, they're like the fast food of AI. Quick, easy, you don't have to think about what's under the hood. You just type and poof, instant text. But let me tell you, that convenience comes at a cost. A heavy, soul-crushing, privacy-eroding cost. First off, let's talk about privacy. This is the big one. When you use an online LLM, you are sending your queries, your prompts, your deepest, darkest thoughts, or maybe just your grocery list, to a server owned by a massive corporation. And what do they do with that data? Well, they say they're not training on it, but do you really trust them? Do you really think that every single one of your interactions is being hermetically sealed away, never to be looked at, analyzed, or, God forbid, used to train the next iteration of their AI? In a world where data is the new oil, you are essentially a walking, talking oil well for these companies. With a local LLM, you are in control. Your data stays on your machine. Period. End of story. It's your digital sandbox, and nobody else gets to play in it unless you invite them. Then there's control and customization. With an online LLM, you get what they give you. It's a take-it-or-leave-it kind of deal. Want a different model? Too bad. Want to fine-tune it with your own specific data for a niche task? Good luck with that. You're beholden to their updates, their whims, their outages. Remember when ChatGPT went down? Or when their safety filters started getting a little overzealous? With a local LLM, you are the master of your own digital destiny. You can download different models, smaller ones for speed, larger ones for quality, specialized ones for specific tasks. You can experiment, you can tweak them, you can even fine-tune them with your own data without worrying about someone else snooping around. Look at this screenshot. I'm downloading Deepseek, Dolphin Llama 3, Google's Gemma. These are powerful models running right on my machine. That's freedom, people. And let's not forget internet dependency and speed. How many times have you been in the middle of something crucial only for your internet connection to flake out? Or maybe the online service is just slow because a million other people are hitting it at the same time. With a local LLM, once it's downloaded, it's yours. It runs as fast as your hardware allows, no internet connection required. Imagine being able to brainstorm, write, or code even when you're in the middle of nowhere, on a plane, or during a network outage. That's power. That's reliability. Finally, there's the ethos of open source and decentralization. Many of these amazing local LLMs are open source. They're built by communities, by brilliant minds who believe in democratizing access to this incredible technology. By using and supporting local LLMs, you're not just getting a tool, you're becoming part of a movement. You're contributing to a future where AI isn't solely controlled by a handful of tech giants, but is instead a distributed, accessible resource for everyone. So, the next time you're about to type your next brilliant query into an online LLM, just pause for a second. Consider the alternative. Consider the freedom, the privacy, the control, and the sheer empowerment that comes with running these incredible models right there, on your own terms, on your own machine. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about reclaiming your digital sovereignty. Did I manage to make you think a bit further? Have you convinced yourself? Thank you. Stay legendary. You'll see me next time.